5 minus 2 is just 3. And 3 times this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 5 minus 2, which equals 3. So 3 times 3 and times 2. No, 3 times 3 is just 9. So 9 times 2, which equals 18. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here in this expression, first we have to do this parentheses, not this subtraction. Okay? Inside this parentheses, we have 5 minus 2, which equals 3. And we have 5 minus 2, then times 3 and times 2. We need to pay attention that in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. So here and here we have multiplication. So 5 minus 2 times 3 and times 2. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So no, we have to do this multiplication. Okay? 2 times 3 gives us 6. So 5 minus 6 times 2. No, we do this multiplication. 6 times 2 gives us 12. And 5 minus 12 gives us negative 7. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 7.